Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these crochet boxes in 3 different sizes, and I used an H hook and an I hook with medium worsted yarn, and you can go up or down hook sizes, and it's recommended for medium worsted yarn. Okay, the pattern for this is listed down below, so let's get started. Chain 2 to get started, and then single crochet 7 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And you can also do this in the magic circle, which I'm going to show you next. Slip stitch in the beginning single crochet to finish. Now I'm going to show you how to make the magic circle. Take your loop it around, chain 1, and work a 7 single crochet in the magic circle. This magic circle, if it's new to you, it can be a little tricky and you may need to practice it, but this is how you do it. Now pull it, and you're going to slip stitch in that beginning single crochet to finish to create the ring. And this is another way to do this if you like to do the magic circle. Now you're going to chain 1, single crochet twice in each single crochet around. This is an increase, and so you'll have 14 single crochet altogether. Slip stitch in that beginning single crochet. You can use a stitch marker if you need to keep track of your rounds. Chain 1, single crochet in that first stitch, single crochet in the next twice for an increase, and that is the pattern. Single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next, and that's the pattern. You're doing an increase again for this round. Okay, you're back at the beginning, and make sure you have all of your stitches that you need, and then you're going to slip stitch in that beginning of that single crochet, and you ended with 2 single crochet, and then you're going to slip stitch in that beginning single crochet, chain 1, and then you're going to, I'm just going to move the stitch marker right on top. This is another increase round if I choose to increase. Now when you make the box, you can make it that size, or you can keep going with your increase rounds. So you're going to single crochet again in the next one, and then 2 single crochet increase. So 2, and then 1, and then 1, and then 2. and then one, and then one, and then two, and then you continue that pattern until you get to the beginning again. Slip stitch in that beginning single crochet and chain one, and then we're going to create the wall. Now you're going to create the wall, which is going to be a chain one, and in the front loop you're going to single crochet. So each front loop gets a single crochet around to create the outside of the box going up. Okay, now you're going to slip stitch in that beginning. So make sure all your stitches are counted for. Slip stitch, and then you're going to single crochet in each single crochet around until you get to the beginning. Okay, now that you're at the beginning with your stitch marker, you're not doing any more slip stitches. This is going to be done in continual single crochet all the way around. To make a smaller container, you're just going to do less increase rounds and then work around. Okay, this is for the lid, and you're going to do one more increased round, so a single crochet in the next four and then two single crochet and to cover the container. You just need one more increased round with one size up on your hook size. So I was using an H on the container box, and I'm going to use an I on the lid. Then you're going to work in each front loop around to create the wall for the lid. Then you're going to slip stitch in that beginning single crochet and then single crochet in each stitch around for the lid. Okay, so now you're done here, and you're going to finish off with slip stitching in each stitch around if you like to. You can keep it with just a single crochet if you like to. The lid you can keep going on with continual rounds of single crochet as well. I just did 2 rounds for the lid. It's up to you. So this is what it looks like with the lid around it, and then also the container. And for any lid for any container box, you just go 1 round with one increase extra for the lid, so it goes on top of it and around it. And you can make them any size. Just stop with the increase rounds for how big you would like for the center diameter. And this is how you make them. Just once you're done with your increase round, then you'll stop for how big you would like it. But if you like it bigger, just keep going with your increases for each round. Then you add another single crochet and then 2 single crochet for an increase. Okay, the pattern is listed down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.